issues that are curable or not curable in franchising? A default. Talk about the curable, not curable defaults.
So in general, a franchise agreement will outline what mistakes, what issues, what footfalls can be cured and what cannot. Going into bankruptcy is often an uncurable default. Doing something that causes immediate and irreparable harm to the brand is often a non-curable default. Something like payment is usually curable in some of the gray area, where if you do something more minor, immaterial, more than a certain number of times in a certain period of time, that might then render those kinds of issues, operational issues, I would say, subject to being a default and termination. But the franchisor is not necessarily looking into that level of detail in your business unless it's a much more material impact on the business. In general, most jurisdictions require, before you're terminated, that the default be material, go to the heart of the operations. But something could be material, like using the right point of sale system, and something might be less material, like advertising on Monday versus Thursday. So you really have to go back to that franchise agreement and look at it. And you cannot, it's really not a good practice to do just generalized research on the internet and see what's happened before, because oftentimes what happened before is irrelevant to what's happening today. And all of that comes down to having a lawyer look at it.